Hello everyone, we are team 24909 Starlight from Pitești, Romania. I am Alex.
I'm David, and in the next of the video we'll present you how the mecanum and tank chassis work.
Okay, so here we have a basic mecanum drivetrain with 4 mecanum wheels 96mm from GoBuilder, 4 435 motors also from GoBuilder, 2 channels with 17 holes and 2 channels with 12 holes. For the mecanum drivetrain, you can go in 9 different directions and rotate in 2. For example, if you want to go straight forward, you have to go all 4 motors power forward. If you want to go left, you have to give the front right motor and the left back motor forward power, and the front left motor and the back right motor backward. If you want to go straight backward, you have to give all 4 motors backward power. If you want to move to the right, you have to give to the front left and the back right forward power, and give to the front right and back left backward power. And if you want to move diagonal, for example front right, you have to give power to the front left and the back right forward. The transmission on this chassis is made with bevel gears, 1:1 ratio, directly from the motor to the wheel, with a live axle. You can change the 435 motors, but you will change the balance from the speed and the torque. And if you want, you can change the dimensions from 17 and 12 holes from the U channel to make it even smaller, because the chassis fits perfectly in the 18-inch box. And if you want to assemble this chassis in real life, you will need 4 GoBuilder motors, 4 mecanum wheels, 2 different types of U channels, and for the transmissions you will need 2 bevel gears for each motor and a shrouded axle for the mecanum wheel. Also you will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quad blocks to mount the motors and unite the U channels.
Okay, and now with the tank chassis. This chassis is made out of 4 96mm Rhino wheels, 2 in the back and 2 in the middles, and 2 96 Omni wheels from GoBuilder in the front. The advantages of this chassis are that you can use only 2 motors to make it work, and it have a lot more traction in the wheels. The disadvantage is that it can move left and right without rotation. The transmission is made out of the 2 1:1 ratio gears to a live axle that will rotate this wheel. Then this chain is connected to this wheel that will also connect this wheel to rotate in the same way as this wheel. Same concept is used on the other part. The front wheels are dead wheels that help the chassis to rotate and make a good connection with the ground. So, to move the chassis forward, you will have to give the same power and direction to the motors. To rotate the chassis to left, you will have to power the motor from right in the face of the robot direction, and the motor from left to the backward direction of the chassis, and the robot will turn left. To turn right, you will have to do the exact same thing, but in the other way, that the motor from left will go in the direction of the front of the robot, and the robot from right will go in the direction of the back of the robot. To go backward, you'll have to power the motors in the same way to the back of the robot. Also, in the autonomous part of the game, is easier to use the mecanum drive for the trajectories of the robot on the field. Any team can choose what drivetrain to use and what are the benefits of it and the uses of it. It can be a custom drivetrain or a drivetrain that we presented you today. We are Team Starlight and wish you the best luck.